Okay children, next exercise 10.2 లో fourth problem చూడండి. The length of a rectangular field is 60 meters and the bed is half of its length. Find the area of the field. Once again listen. The length of a rectangular field is 60 meters and the bed of its length, and bed is half of its length. అంటే bed is half of its length. Length లో width అనేది ఎంత అవుతుంది? half అవుతుంది. Find the area of the field. First, the length of rectangular field. Problem fourth one. The length of a rectangular field. The length of a rectangular field is equal 60 meters. The length of a rectangular field is equal to 60 meters. And the bed is half of its length. The bed of a rectangular field. The bed of a rectangular field. The bed of a rectangular field is equal to half of its length. Okay, ఈ length లో half అన్నమాట. So that is equal to 30 meters. 30 meters. Now find the area of the field. The area of a rectangular field. Area of a rectangular field is equal area of rectangular field. Area of rectangular formula ఏంటి? length into breadth. Length into breadth. That is equal to length 60 meters into breadth 30 meters. Length 60 meters, breadth 30 meters. That is equal to 60 into 30. Here 0, here 0. Write 2 zeros. 6 3s are 18 meter square or square meters. Square meters. 1800 square meters are 1800 meters square. 1800 meter square. Okay. So this is the solution. Note down. Okay, next problem, fifth one. See, fifth one. A square sheet of paper has perimeter 40 centimeters. 40 centimeters. A square sheet of paper has a perimeter of 40 centimeters. What is the length of its side? Also find the area of the square sheet. Also find the area of square sheet. See, first, a square sheet of paper has perimeter of 40 centimeters. Okay, because square sheet యొక్క perimeter ఇచ్చారు 40 centimeters. దీని నుంచి మనం ఏం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి? What is the length of its side? So, length find each side length find out చేయాలి, and also find the area of square sheet. Area of square find out చేయాలి. Okay, see. First, square sheet of paper. Perimeter of a square sheet. Perimeter of a square sheet is equal to 40 centimeters. 40 centimeters. Actually, what is the formula perimeter of square? Perimeter of square is equal to perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into length of each side. 4 into length of each side. Now by problem perimeter of square formula answer is the 40 centimeters. Perimeter of square sheet 40 centimeter is equal to 4 into length of each side. Now length of each side is equal to 40 by 4. 40 by 4 is how many times going? 10 times. 4 ones are 4, 4 times are equal to 10 centimeters. Length of each side is equal to 10 centimeters. L is equal to 10 centimeters. Now find the area of square sheet. Now area of square sheet is equal to area of a square sheet. Area of a square sheet is equal to area of a square sheet formula is side into side. Side into side. So side means here length కాబట్టి 10 into 10. That is equal to 10 tens are 100. Here centimeters square centimeters. 100 square centimeters. Okay. The given problem perimeter of a square sheet given. Only perimeter ఇచ్చారు. ఆ perimeter నుంచి మనం ఏం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసాం? Use the perimeter of square sheet formula 4 into length of each side. By problem perimeter of square sheet 40 centimeters కాబట్టి 40 centimeter equal to 4 into length అవుతుంది. So length is equal to 40 divided by 4. 4 tens are 40. So length of each side is equal to 10 centimeters. Now area of square sheet is equal to side into side. Side equal to 10 centimeters. 10 into 10, 100 square centimeters or 100 centimeters square. 100 centimeter square. Okay. This is the solution. Note down. Next, 60th problem children. The area of rectangular plot is 2400 square meters. The area of rectangular plot is 2400 square meters and its length is 1/2 times to its breadth, and its length is 1/2 times to its breadth. What is the perimeter? What is the perimeter? See, the area of rectangular plot is 2400 square meters and its length is 1/2 times to its breadth. What is the perimeter? First, perimeter find out cheyali. Ikkada manaki length breadth icharu, perimeter find out cheyali. So first, area of a rectangular plot is, see the sixth one, area of a rectangular plot. Area of a rectangular plot is equal to area of rectangle 2400 meters. 2400 meters. Now length is 1/2 times its breadth. First, let the breadth is equal. Let the breadth is equal to x centimeters. X meters. Let the breadth is equal to x meters. Now let the length is equal to 1/2 times its breadth. 1/2 times to its breadth అంటే ఇది మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. Now 1/2 means this is mixed fraction. Convert into normal fraction. 2 ones are 2. 2 plus 1 3. 3/2x means 3x by 2 meters. Okay. So this is the length, breadth. Now see, area of rectangle. Now area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle is equal L into B. L into B. That is equal to L value, length 3/2 x into B అంటే x. By problem, area of rectangle ఎంత 2400. By problem 2400 is equal, this is x into x square అవుతుంది. 3x square by 2. 3x square by 2. Now this is division లో 2 ఉంది కాబట్టి ఇటు సైడ్ వస్తే ఏమవుతుంది? ఇంటూ అవుతుంది. సో మల్టిప్లికేషన్ అవుతుంది. 3x square is equal to 2400 into 2. 2400 into 2. Now ఇది 3 into x square కాబట్టి ఈ 3 ని ఇటు సైడ్ వస్తే ఏమవుతుంది? డివిజన్ అవుతుంది. Now x square is equal to 2400 into 2 by 3. 2400 into 2 ఇది ఇంటూ లో ఉంటుంది. ఈ సైడ్ వస్తే ఏమవుతుంది? డివిజన్ అవుతుంది. అంటే డివైడెడ్ బై 3. Now x square is equal 3 ones are 3, 3 8s are 24. Okay, 800 into 2. 800 into 2 is equal to 1600. Now x square is equal to 1600. X square is equal to 1600. See here, 2 square is equal to 4. 3 square is equal to 9. So that means 2 into 2. Yeah, 3 into 3. Okay, square of the same numbers multiplication లో రాయాలి. Okay, ఇక్కడ కూడా మనకి x square అనేది 1600. So దీన్ని సేమ్ numbers multiply చేసి రాయాలి. ఇది సేమ్ numbers multiplication ఎలా రాసాము? 40 into 40. 40 into 40 40 square అవుతుంది 3 into 3 3 square okay 40 into 40 40 square now x square is equal to 40 square x square is equal to 40 square x ఏమవుతుంది x square is equal to 40 square అయితే x is equal to 40 అవుతుంది x is equal to 40 meters x is equal to 40 meters. What is mean by x? Width. Width is equal to 40 meters. But length ఏమవుతున్నప్పుడు length is equal 3 by 2 into x కదా 3 by 2 into x means 40 కదా 2 ones are 2 2 20s are 40 3 into 20 60 meters. Width is equal to 40 meters, length is equal to 60 meters. ఇప్పుడు మనకి length వచ్చింది, width వచ్చింది. What we can find here? Question లో ఏం find out చేయాలి? What is its perimeter? Perimeter find out చేయాలి. What is the perimeter formula? Perimeter of a rectangle B is equal to 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B. That is equal to 2 into L and length 60 plus 40. That is equal to 60 plus 40 100 into 200 meters. Therefore perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 200 meters. Okay children, you understand? Only in the question given 2400, that is the area of a rectangle. ఇచ్చారు మనం perimeter of a rectangle find out చేస్తాం. Area of a rectangle is equal to 2400 meters ఇచ్చారు. So let the width ఏమనుకున్నాము x అనుకున్నాము. In the question length is the 1/2 times of its width. Width కంటే 1/2 times ఎక్కువ కాబట్టి times అంటే మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి 1/2 into x. So 1/2 means ఏంటి 2 ones are 2 2 plus 1 3/2 into x 3x/2 that means okay length width వచ్చేస్తుంది. Area of a rectangle form ఏంటి L into B. So L length అంటే ఎంత 3x/2 into x. x into x x square అవుతుంది 3/2 సేమ్ ఉంటుంది. By problem area of rectangle ఏంటి 2400 2400 is equal to 3x square by 2 అవుతుంది. ఇది డివిజన్ లో ఉంది కాబట్టి ఈ సైడ్ వస్తే ఏమవుతుంది ఇంటూ అవుతుంది. ఇది 3 into x square కాబట్టి ఈ సైడ్ వస్తే ఏమవుతుంది డివిజన్ అవుతుంది. Now x square is equal to 1600. ఈ 1600 ని సేమ్ నెంబర్స్ స్క్వేర్ లో రాయాలి. 3 స్క్వేర్ 2 స్క్వేర్ 5 స్క్వేర్ ఎలా రాస్తాము? సో 1600 ని 40 స్క్వేర్ లో రాస్తాము. ఏమవుతుంది ఈ స్క్వేర్ కి స్క్వేర్ క్యాన్సిల్ అవుతుంది. ఓన్లీ x is equal to 40 meters అవుతుంది. ఓకే x square is equal to 40 స్క్వేర్ రాస్తామంటే ఇది cancel అవుతుంది. అంటే ఒక x వాల్యూ ఎంత 40 meters. నా width is equal to 40 అవుతుంది. ఇక్కడ మనకి తీసుకున్న width x means 40, length 311 that means 3/2 into x కాబట్టి 60 meters అవుతుంది. Perimeter of rectangle formula 2 into L plus B 2 into L అంటే 60 plus 40 equal to 100 అవుతుంది. 100 into 200 100 into 200 meters అవుతుంది. So this is the perimeter of rectangle. Okay, note down. Next problem, seventh problem. Next seventh problem. See, the length and breadth of a room are 6 meters and 4 meters respectively. How many square meters of carpet is required to completely cover the floor of the room? If the carpet costs 400 rupees a square meter, what will be the total cost of the carpet for completely covering the floor? Once again listen, the length and breadth of a room are 6 meters and 4 meters. Okay, room యొక్క length 6 meters, breadth 4 meters. How many square meters of carpet is required to completely cover the floor of the room? Okay, ఆ room యొక్క floor ను total floor ని carpet తో కవర్ చేయాలి. సో ఎన్ని స్క్వేర్ మీటర్స్ అవసరం అవుతుంది? If the carpet cost for 1 square meter is equal to 240 rupees. Okay, so మన టోటల్ ఎంత అవుతుందో ఆ కాస్ట్ మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ లెంత్ ఆఫ్ ద రూమ్. Length of the room 6 meters. Next, breadth of the room length of the room, width of the room is equal to 4 meters. Width of the room is equal to 4 meters. Okay, now area of the floor. Area of the floor of the room. Area of floor of the room. Room is equal to length into width is equal to 6 into 4. 6 4s are 24 meters square or square meters. 24 meters square. So area of the room is equal to length into width. Length 6 meters, width 4 meters. 6 into 4, 24 meter square. Now the carpet is required to completely cover the floor of the room. Floor of the room is equal to 24 meters square. 24 meters square. 1 kilometer square value 24 meters square carpet cover. Okay, next one. The cost of 1 square meter carpet cost. The cost of 1 square meter carpet is equal to 240 rupees. 240 rupees. Okay, what is the cost of? The cost of 24 meters square. 24 meters square carpet is equal to 24 into 1 meter square is 240 rupees. Is it 24 meters square? 24 into 240. 24 1 576. 24 into 24 multiplied. 4 4s are 16. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1 9. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. Okay. 6 7 576. 24 24s are 576. 176 here 0. So therefore this amount of rupees is 5,760 rupees. 5,760 rupees for 24 meter square carpet. For 24 meter square carpet. Okay. First length teacher, width teacher, area find out cheyali. So 1 meter square ki anta cost already in the question given. Okay, so we can find the 24 meter square as 24 into 240, 5,760. Okay, note down. Okay, next problem, 8th problem. Two fields have the same perimeter. One is a square of side 72 meters and another is a rectangle. One is a square of side 72 meters and another one is a rectangle of 80 meters. Which field has the greater area and by how much? Okay, here two fields have the same perimeter. Here manaki okati rectangle field icharu, inokati square field icharu. These two fields have the same perimeter. Okay, square ki each side 72 meters icharu, rectangle lo only length 80 meters icharu, breadth find out cheyali and areas find out cheyali. So which is the greater area ani find out cheyali. Okay, children, first see area of two fields have the same perimeter. First, each side of square, each side of a square, each side of a square is equal to 72 meters. 72 meters. Next, perimeter of a square. perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into length of each side, that is equal to 4 into 72. 4 to 8, 4 7 are 28, 288 meters. This is the perimeter of square. Perimeter of square. Next, perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B, 2 into L plus B. But by problem, both perimeters are equal. And e perimeter equal to square perimeter is equal to rectangle perimeter. Okay. By problem 288 is equal to 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B. So length of rectangle is equal to the 80 meters. L value 80 meters. Length of rectangle in the question 80. Now see, 80 plus B is equal. ఇది ఇంటూ ఉంది కాబట్టి సరళం ఉంటుంది, డివిజన్ అవుతుంది. 288 by 2, that is equal to 288 by 2 డివిజన్ చేస్తే 144 అవుతుంది. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 144. Okay, 80 plus B is equal to 144. Now bed B is equal 144. ఈ ప్లస్ 8 ఇటు సైడ్ వస్తే ఏమవుతుంది, మైనస్ 80 అవుతుంది. 140 minus 80, that is equal bed is equal to 64 meters. Bed is equal 64 meters. However, in the question given L is equal to 80 meters. L is equal to 80 meters. Now see, area of rectangle. Area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle is equal L into B. That is L value is 80 into 64. 80 into 64. That is equal 80 to 64 multiply చేస్తాము. Here 1 0, 8 4s are 32, 8 6 are 48 plus 3 51. 5120 meters square. Okay, area of rectangle is equal to 5120 meters square. Okay, next area of a square. Area of a square is equal to side into side. Side into side. That is equal side each side of square is equal to 72. 72 into 72. 72 into 72. 72 into 72 అవుతుంది. మల్టిప్లై చేయండి. 72 into 72 are 4. 2 7s are 14. 7 2s are 14. 7 7 are 49. 50. Okay. 4 8 1 5. 5184. 5184 meters square. 5184 meters square. Area of rectangle is 5120 meters square. Area of square is 5184. So which is the greater area? So area of square is a greater area. Therefore area of a square is greater area. Is greater area. Area of a square is greater area. Okay children, first each side of square is 72 ఇచ్చారు. First perimeter find out చేసాం. By problem this both perimeters are equal. Area of square, perimeter of square is equal to perimeter of rectangle. So that's why 288 is equal to 2 into L plus B అవుతుంది. దీని నుంచి breadth find out చేసాం. Breadth 64 meters. In the question given L is equal to 80 meters. Now area of rectangle, this one area of square. So which is the greater area? Area of the square is greater area. Okay, note down.